Are you tired of risking tax penalties because your Zoho Books taxes aren't set up right? Learn to configure ABN in under 5 minutes. I'll walk you through 8 simple steps. Open Zoho Books, access Settings, find Taxes, choose ABN, and enter your registration number. First, open Zoho Books to get started. Then click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Now, from the Settings menu, select Taxes. Inside Taxes, click on Tax Settings to access the configuration page. Click the Type or Select a Label field. Select ABN from the dropdown. Type your registration number. Finally, click Save to apply your settings, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.